Alright, episode 2, buggy build. The boys have got some paint to pull off. Maddie's probably going to pull me off. Come on for the ride, we've got to clean this fucking shed. The beers are here. That's why you have kids, ladies and gentlemen. Let's fucking get it. One take, baby!
Just jacking off the boys today. Just getting into the nitty gritty.
Is OnlyFans or episode 2?
Episode 2 of OnlyFans. You can say things are getting pretty serious.
Things are getting serious. Maddie's on the fucking tools.
So basically, we're going to move our winch. Our winch used to be mounted on our diff. Down in competition, down in Canberra, URS, we ended up getting hung up in a rock, ended up ripping it off. The winch got jammed in between the tail shaft here and munted that. So basically our new ideas is she gets mounted up here, out of the way, and then hopefully she doesn't get hung up on rocks anymore.
That's the plan.
That's the plan, Stan.
Then the only thing getting hung up is Maddie.
on the blokes.
Right, we're off. What else has fucking been done? There's no paint on this thing since the last time I came here.
We've given them all a rub down.
So we can give it a little
couple of them. Hang on,
little pause. Yeah, so you see that silky smoothness?
No, it's looking good. You gonna powder coat it again or just leave it like raw metal? Because I remember Aaron was saying we're gonna go raw.
Well, I think we're gonna leave it raw. We don't have the time to get it fully stripped and go.
I believe you when you say raw.
Yeah.
Raw. When he says raw,
he means raw.
Book in an STD test the following Monday. Fucking hell. So you reckon raw or paint?
Oh, it's gonna be raw for now. We don't have the time. We need to get some practice in before before Tuff Truck. And yeah, lucky Criddy's had Al with him because we and Maddie haven't been here for much of it. So
Maddie hasn't been helping, eh?
So the missus has been rubbing them out. She's been rubbing it like this sometimes, then sometimes backhand she's like this. She's looking good like that.
She's looking right in. Yeah, this is why he didn't come to Newcastle with us. That's what happened.
Yeah, she's booked in a session.
She booked in a little sesh. We were down here. Criddy's just rubbing ones out while we're here. The kids are here.
We just did some painting for
looking good.
Just doing some
I thought you guys were here to bring the beers.
What? That was me 2 hours ago. Yeah.